I'm going to go back to when I was, I think, 11 years old. And there was a mentor of mine, and I was sitting in his office. I would take out his trash and like pull weeds, and I just wanted to learn, okay? And he called me skinny because I was broke. And at the time, and this was like, if I was 11, this would be like 1982, okay? 82 or 83. I don't know when exactly. But he was writing a check, and the check was for like $27,432. And he taught me an important life lesson. He said, Skinny, come on in here. Check it out. I'm writing a check. By the way, $22,000 or $27,482, whatever it was. It's called $22,482. Was a crap load of money in 1982, 1983. It was probably $100,000 in today's money. He says, I'm writing a check here for $22,480. I got a question for you. What is that? And I'm like, a check? And he's like, no, the amount. What is it? And I was like, I don't follow. He goes, is it a lot of money or a little bit of money? And I was like, that's a lot of money. I took the bait. He goes, it's neither. It's $22,480. If you want to be successful in business, you have to stop freaking out about the money. It's not your money, right? It's not coming out of your checkbook. And the more you freak out, the more you're going to freak out somebody. So anytime you deliver numbers unemotionally, right? It's $22,480, right? It's not a lot of money. It's not a little bit of money. It's blank. Now, I'm telling you that because I sensed like you're freaking out because the deal just got bigger. Get used to it. As you get more skillful in sales, your deals are going to get bigger.
If you need to triple your sales and triple your income to truly enjoy your life, boom, I've got you covered. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. I'm going to cover all the cost for you. It's normally $300. I got you covered. Click the link in my bio. That is going to help you start closing more deals right now. And then we're going to talk about getting you access to Easton University. It's the most skillful and effective way for you to communicate, for you to get attention, for you to handle objections, for you to network. Everything that you're going to need to triple your sales and, most importantly, triple your income so you can finally start having the life you want to have. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy the closing course for you. We'll talk about getting you on Easton University. Your life, it's about to get a lot better.